In this section, we're going to explore how and why to create tags, but before we get there, let's go ahead and wrap up our current commit. So if we do git status, we see we have a number of files to add, and we're currently on the branch pages feature. So what we want to do is commit these changes and then pull them back in via a merge with our main development branch, which is called master, and then delete this pages feature branch because, at least for the purposes of this demonstration, we're done with that branch. So our first step is adding all of these. So let's go ahead and do git commit, and then we'll add the added pages module message. Now we didn't pass it the -a because there's no unstaged modified files that we want to add as well. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, let's go ahead and do git status just to make sure everything got pulled in. Nothing to commit, we're good to go. Let's go ahead and switch over to our master branch so we can merge this branch back into it. I'm going to do git checkout master. Next, let's go ahead and merge our changes in. Now before, when we merged, we used the no fast forward option in order to maintain some history about a branch existing for a certain set of commits. So let's go ahead and pass that in as well for our merge command here. So I'm going to do git merge, and then I'm going to pass it the no ff parameter, and then we're going to pass it the name of the branch we want to pull in, which is pages feature, and I'm going to hit enter. If we do git status, we see we have nothing to commit, and let's do a quick look at our log using git log one line. Okay, you see we have merge branch pages feature, which is the commit message that gets added when we pass the no ff parameter, and then our added pages module, which was a commit that we made on the other branch. So it looks like we're good to go. Let's go ahead and exit out of Vim by pressing Q, and let's delete our feature branch by using git branch, and then pass it the d parameter, and then the name of the branch to delete. Okay, it says it's gone, so if we do git branch, we'll see that there is now only one branch.